Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a technique that can give your corn plants a head start and boost their growth. We'll be planting sprouted corn seeds directly into the garden. Corn is a warm weather crop that thrives in warm temperatures. While it can be directly seeded in the garden, pre-germinating your corn seeds offers several advantages. Pre-germination involves starting your seeds indoors before transferring them to the garden. This method allows you to ensure a higher germination rate and gives your plants a head start, which is particularly beneficial in shorter growing seasons. As always, we will need our black gold organic fertilizer, composted chicken manure. This natural fertilizer will enrich your garden for years to come. Organic mulch is also a must-add for any garden enthusiast. Mulch will help retain moisture in the soil, suppress weeds, and improve the overall structure of your garden beds. Let's get started by planting our pre-germinated corn seeds. The first step is to work the planting area to loosen the soil. Corn thrives in a well-draining soil, so it's important to make sure the soil is in prime condition for optimal growth. Next, add some composted chicken manure or organic compost to the soil and mix well. This will help provide the corn with the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Composted chicken manure is a great option as it contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are vital for plant growth. The organic compost will also improve the soil structure, helping to retain moisture and promote good drainage. Next, prepare the planting area with your hands. Carefully remove any debris, rocks, or weeds from the planting area. This will create a clean and suitable environment for the corn plants to thrive in. Use your hands to gently remove any unwanted materials that may hinder the growth of the plants. Once the planting area is properly prepared, you are ready to plant your corn sprouts. To successfully plant corn sprouts, begin by creating a small hole in the soil that is deep enough to accommodate the sprouts. Gently place 2 to 3 sprouts in the hole, being careful not to damage their delicate root system. Once the sprouts are in place, cover them with soil to secure their position and provide them with the nutrients they need to grow. Remember, the success of your corn crop depends on how well you care for the sprouts in their early stages, so take the time to handle them gently and protect their roots. By following these steps, you can ensure that your corn sprouts thrive and eventually produce a bountiful harvest. Once the corn sprouts are planted, it is essential to provide them with the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. One effective way to enrich the soil and give the corn seedlings an extra boost is by adding composted chicken manure. Adding mulch will help retain moisture in the soil, prevent weeds from growing, regulate soil temperature, and improve the overall health of your corn plants. By adding a layer of mulch, you can create a barrier that locks in moisture and reduces the need for frequent watering. This can be especially beneficial during hot summer months when almost all plants are prone to drying out. After planting your new sprouts in the ground, it's important to give them a good watering to help settle the soil around their roots. This will ensure that they have good contact with the soil and can begin taking up the nutrients and moisture they need to grow. And there you have it. By pre-sprouting your corn seeds and planting the sprouts directly into the garden, you've given them the best chance to thrive. Thanks for joining us today. With these tips, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of sweet corn right from your garden. Remember, patience is key when it comes to gardening, so make sure to water regularly. Keep an eye out for pests, and give your plants plenty of love and care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. Happy planting!